Hey everyone, I'm Kelly from Dye DIY, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to make ice dyed swatches so you know exactly how your dyes will split and you'll avoid all those unpleasant surprises where you end up with splotches of orange and blue everywhere where you're not expecting them. Now there are full instructions on the site linked with the video, so please head over for all the details. Okay, so first you need to get some fabric. Get the same sort that you usually dye, pre-wash it and cut it up. I did 13 by 13 centimeter squares, but I think a little bigger would have been better. When they were all cut, I edged mine with my overlocker. You could use a sewing machine or just leave them to fray. I wrote the name of each dye colour onto a swatch with a laundry marker. And then I put them all into a soda ash solution for 20 minutes. I have a video about making soda ash solution. If you need it, please see the link in the description. While I was waiting for them to soak, I punched drainage holes in the bottom of paper shot glasses. And once they were done, I squeezed out the swatches and I set them up one by one. So first I scrunched up the damp swatch, then I added 3 ice cubes, and then I added dye. I tried to scrunch each one in the same way and add the same amount of dye to each one, so I got consistent results. Now for this part, be really careful that you match the right dye to the right swatch. It would be very easy to get them all muddled up. And I loved seeing them all lined up like this. They looked so good. I had to keep going back to check on them and see how they were going. Once they were done, I left them to melt and sit in a warm place for 24 hours so the dye could set. And then the next day it was rinse out time. So I rinsed them out in the cups first and then rinsed the similar colours together. I cold rinsed, then hot washed. I have a video detailing how I rinse and wash my tie-dye up above, and the link to that is also in the description. And this is the swatches all dry and finished. Now they've been so useful. I use them all the time to spark new ideas, to work out which colours to use, and also to make sure that it's going to turn out the way that I planned. So I hope you found this useful. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more tie-dye tutorials like this, and thanks for watching.